Hello, welcome to the FEMAP 101 Exercise 3 on Entity Selection. This exercise uses by-color and by-faces selection methods to apply loads and constraints. To begin, open the Exercise 3 file. First, let us use the by-color selection method to select the constraint of the model. On the top menu item, click on Modify, and then click Color, and then click Node. Under the Group drop-down menu, expand, and select Constraint Surfaces. Then click More, and notice the IDs populate the text box. Click the Highlight button, and verify that the bottom surface is selected as our constraint. Now click OK. And let's select the color for our constraint surface. We're going to color it deep blue, all the way on the left. And then click OK. Now notice our surface is colored blue. Now, let's apply a constraint on the surface by color. Under the Model Info tree, expand on Model, and then expand on Constraints, expand an untitled constraint, and right-click Constraint Definitions. And then select Nodal. In the Entity Selection box, select Pick, and then Color, and choose the same deep blue color we did before. Notice it was already pre-selected. Click OK. And now notice the IDs are filled in on the text box. Select the Highlight button, and verify the same surface is selected. Now click OK. And then in the Nodal Constraints box, click on Fixed, and notice all 6 degrees of rotation are now fixed in space. Now click OK. Now our surface is fixed. Let's zoom in on the front faceplate of the model. We're going to use this for our loads. Alright, as a final step, let's apply a 50-pound load by using the Pick by Faces selection method. Under Model, expand Loads, expand the untitled load, and right-click Load Definitions, and select Elemental, and then choose Pick, and select By Faces. Make sure Adjacent Faces radio button is selected, and then click the element text box. And now this part is a little tricky. We're going to have to select the triangle on the front faceplate of the model. Make sure the outline of the yellow triangle matches the mesh outline that is in gray. Click on the correct triangle, and remember the ID number. Ours is 8044. I'm going to copy it. And now select the highlight button and verify the front faceplate is selected. Click OK. And notice our IDs are now populated. Click the highlight button again to verify the front faceplate is selected. It's okay if some triangles overlap on the bottom. Click OK. Now we got to apply our pressure. Find the value text box under pressure and enter 50. And click OK. Now in this window we need to select the front face again. So click on it and notice now we have a 50-pound load applied evenly across the front faceplate. We can check the forces by going on Tools and then check all the way on the bottom and then Sum Forces. And then click OK. And OK. And now notice our message box has a new window appearing with the forces. With this, we may save the file as Exercise 3 complete. And this concludes Exercise 3. Thank you for watching this video.